How to unrestrict on Messenger. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. When you restrict someone on Messenger, they can still send you messages, but you won't see them in your main chat list. They also won't be able to see when you're online. So to unrestrict someone on Messenger, first open the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the three lines in the top left corner to access the menu. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it to open Settings. Scroll down until you see Privacy and Safety, then tap on it. Under the Who Can Reach You section, tap on Restricted Accounts. You'll see a list of all the people you've restricted. Find the person you want to unrestrict and tap on their name. Tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. In the chat window that opens, tap on Unrestrict at the bottom of the screen. You've successfully unrestricted that person on Messenger. They'll now be able to see your online status and send you messages that will appear in your main chat list. And this is how to unrestrict on Messenger. If you have any questions about unrestricting someone on Facebook Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.